What if your life, with all its ups and downs, wasn't random? What if every challenge, every opportunity, and even the smallest moments were actually a reflection of something deeper, a mirror of your inner world? Neville Goddard, a spiritual teacher ahead of his time, believed that reality isn't fixed. It's fluid, shaped entirely by your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. He described life as a kind of simulation, not one powered by tech, but by your own mind. Here's the exciting part. If life really is a simulation, you're not just a player, you're the programmer. In this video, we're diving into Neville's transformative ideas and breaking down 3 principles you can start using today. Rewrite the beliefs that are holding you back. Let go of past pain with the power of revision. Create the future you want by living in the end. And the best part? These aren't just ideas. They're simple, practical tools you can use to completely change your life. So, if you're ready to take control of your reality, let's jump in. To unlock the hidden power of your reality, you've got to understand its true nature first. Neville Goddard taught that the world you see isn't separate from you. It's a perfect reflection of your inner state. Think of it like standing in front of a mirror. If you frown, the reflection frowns back. But if you smile, the reflection mirrors your joy. Life works the exact same way. Every thought you think, every belief you hold, and every emotion you feel gets projected outward, creating the experiences you live. Step 1. Identifying and releasing limiting beliefs. Your beliefs are the foundation of your reality. They're like the source code of a computer program, determining how your life unfolds. But here's the catch. Most of these beliefs aren't consciously chosen. They're often inherited from childhood and shaped by your family, environment, and society. How limiting beliefs are formed. Think back to messages you heard as a child. Were you told things like, money doesn't grow on trees? You have to work hard to succeed. Some people are just born lucky. Over time, these beliefs sink in and shape how you see the world. They work like invisible scripts that influence your thoughts, choices, and outcomes without you even realizing it. For example, if you grew up hearing money is the root of all evil, you might unconsciously block financial success, believing it's something to avoid. Or if you were told you're not creative, you might hold back from pursuing your artistic passions, thinking you're not capable. Awareness is key. The first step to changing these beliefs is becoming aware of them. It's about noticing the thoughts and beliefs that no longer serve you. Ask yourself, what do I believe about money, success, love, or happiness? Are these beliefs helping me, or are they holding me back? Where did these beliefs come from? And do they actually align with the life I want to create? Once you're aware of a limiting belief, you can challenge it and replace it with a more empowering one. Step 2, rewriting the past through revision. Let's dive into one of Neville's most powerful techniques, revision. We all have those memories, moments we wish had gone differently, where we failed, felt rejected, or made mistakes. But those memories don't just stay in the past. They continue to affect our present and future. But what if you could rewrite them? What if, instead of carrying the weight of old wounds, you could transform them into empowering experiences? What is revision? Revision is the practice of revisiting a past event in your mind and imagining it differently. It's not just about changing your memory. It's about changing the energy and emotions tied to that memory, affecting your present and future. How to practice revision. 1. Identify a memory. Pick a moment that still weighs on you, a failure, an argument, or a decision you regret. 2. Replay the scene. Close your eyes and replay the event in your mind as clearly as possible. 3. Rewrite the story. Visualize it playing out differently. See yourself succeeding, resolving the issue, or handling the situation with confidence. 4. Feel the change. Embrace the emotions of this new version, whether it's relief, pride, or joy. Feel it as though it really happened. Why does revision work? Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined. So, by revising a memory, you're not just changing your perception of it, you're reprogramming the emotional and energetic impact it has on your life. Many who practice revision report huge changes. Old wounds heal, limiting beliefs dissolve, and new opportunities start to flow effortlessly. Step 3. Living in the end, embodying your desired future. Now let's explore the cornerstone of Neville's teachings, living in the end. This principle is about stepping into the feeling of your desires already fulfilled. Instead of wishing, hoping, or waiting for success, love, or abundance, you embody the version of yourself who already has those things. How living in the end works. When you live in the end, you're not just visualizing your desires, you're aligning your entire being with them. This alignment creates a vibrational match between your inner state and the reality you want to experience, drawing it into your life. How to practice living in the end. 1. Choose a desire. Think about something you truly want: a loving relationship, financial freedom, or a fulfilling career. 2. Create a scene. Visualize a moment that represents this desire already fulfilled. For example, if it's love, imagine a quiet evening with your ideal partner. If it's success, picture yourself celebrating a major career milestone. 3. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, and feel? The more vivid you make the scene, the stronger its impact. 4. Feel it fully. Immerse yourself in the emotions of this new reality: joy, gratitude, and contentment. If doubt or impatience arises, remind yourself of Neville Goddard's wisdom. A seed must fall into the ground and die before it can bring forth fruit. Trust that every desire has its appointed hour. Persist in the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Nurture it with unwavering faith, and know that the unseen is always working to bring it to pass. Everything is unfolding perfectly in its own divine time. At the heart of all these practices lies one essential tool: stillness. Meditation isn't just about relaxing. It's a powerful way to quiet the mind, access your inner wisdom, and connect with the infinite potential within you. A simple meditation practice. 1. Find a quiet space and sit comfortably. 2. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and imagine golden light filling your body. 3. Slowly exhale, releasing tension and negativity. 4. Focus on your breath, letting any thoughts drift by like clouds. The more you meditate, the more you'll notice profound shifts, old fears melting away, creativity flowing freely, and life starting to feel like a canvas for your intentions. And here's the thing: as you continue this journey of transformation, it doesn't just change your own life, it starts creating ripples, spreading out into the world around you. Every time you choose love over fear, abundance over scarcity, and joy over suffering, you're raising the collective vibration. Your growth encourages others to tap into their own power, creating a ripple effect that touches everyone. Imagine a world where more people awaken to their potential as conscious creators. A world where love, abundance, and joy aren't the exceptions, but the norm. That's the world we're building together, one thought, one belief, one action at a time. The final question: what will you create next? As we close, let me leave you with this. The simulation isn't something to escape, it's something to master. You are the dreamer awakening within the dream. Every thought, feeling, and belief you hold is shaping the world around you. So what will you create next? If this message touched your soul, subscribe, share it, and let it transform your life. Together, Let's awaken to our limitless potential and create a world of infinite possibilities.